6,000 feet below the ocean, pitch black, no sunlight, and something was glowing blue. Something science had never seen before. It wasn't a malfunction, it wasn't a trick of the camera, it was alive, and it was watching. Welcome to TrueMystix, where we uncover mysterious history and hidden science that the world is only just beginning to understand. Today, we're going deep, deeper than most humans will ever go. And we're meeting one of the most extraordinary creatures ever discovered, the Galapagos Blue Octopus. Alright, so let me paint you a picture. Imagine you're 6,000 feet underwater. No light, none, zero. The pressure down there is so insane, so absolutely crushing, it would flatten a human body like a pancake. Like, instantly. There's nothing down there but cold, dark, silent water stretching out in every direction for miles. Most people assume nothing could survive in a place like that, and honestly, that's a fair assumption. But they'd be wrong. So back in 2023, a team of ocean scientists sent an underwater robot camera all the way down to the ocean floor near the Galapagos Islands. And look, scientists do this kind of thing all the time. It's pretty routine stuff. Send the robot down, record what's there, bring the footage back up. Except this time, the footage came back showing something nobody had ever seen before. Right there, just hovering above the ocean floor, an octopus. But y'all, this was not your average octopus. Not even close. Its entire body was glowing. This deep, electric blue light, slowly pulsing across its skin like waves, like its whole body was breathing light. And I'm not talking about some faint little shimmer. This thing was lit up, like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, except completely 100% real. And the scientists on that ship? They went dead silent. You can hear it in the recording. This entire room full of experienced researchers just completely stopped talking because what they were looking at didn't match anything they had ever studied, anything in any database anywhere. They had found something totally new, and it was glowing blue in the dark. Okay, so here's where it gets really crazy, because octopuses, even regular ones, are already some of the most mind-blowing animals on the entire planet. 2/3 of an octopus's brain cells aren't even in its brain, they're in its arms. Each arm basically has its own little mind. So when an octopus is reaching into a crack looking for food, that arm is literally thinking for itself, making decisions, without even checking with the main brain first. That's wild, right? And it gets better. Octopuses can open jars, solve puzzles. They can actually recognize individual human faces. And some of them will squirt water at researchers they don't like. I'm serious. They hold grudges. Some species even pick up coconut shells and carry them around to use as a little portable home later. That's not instinct. That's planning. That's thinking ahead. But the Galapagos Blue Octopus? Oh, it takes things to a whole other level. Because here's the big question everybody's asking. Why is it glowing? Scientists think the blue light is actually how it talks. Think about it for a second. Down there in total darkness, you can't see anything. So how do you communicate? You put on a light show, every single pulse of blue light moving across its skin. Scientists believe those are signals, like a whole secret language written in light. A warning, a greeting, maybe even a way of finding a mate. Imagine that. This creature figured out how to literally speak with its own body, in the dark, thousands of feet underwater. But hold on, because the story gets even deeper. The Galapagos Islands are already one of the most unique places on Earth. This is literally where Darwin came up with evolution. The islands are so isolated that the animals there evolved in completely different ways. You've got lizards that swim, giant tortoises that live over 100 years. It's like nature's own science experiment. Now take that same isolation and push it 6,000 feet deeper into the ocean. Scientists believe the Galapagos Blue Octopus got completely cut off millions of years ago. Stuck in the deep with nowhere to go, it slowly changed over time. It developed abilities no other octopus ever needed, and the most jaw-dropping ability of all, making and controlling its own light. And here's the kicker. Scientists also think this octopus might be unusually intelligent even by octopus standards. So the real question is, just how smart is this thing? What does it know that we don't? Look, we love to think humans are the smartest things on this planet, top of the food chain. And sure, we've built cities and smartphones and sent rockets to space. But this octopus has been living in total darkness at the bottom of the ocean for millions of years, surviving, communicating, adapting, long before humans even showed up. That's not primitive. That's not simple. That's a completely different kind of smart. And in some ways, it's more impressive than anything we've ever done. And here's the thing that really keeps me up at night. We've only explored less than 20% of Earth's oceans. Less than 20%, y'all. This octopus was discovered in one tiny corner of one ocean. So what else is out there right now? What other creatures are glowing in the dark, living incredible lives, and we have absolutely no idea they exist? The ocean isn't just deep. It's full of things we haven't met yet. Because every time we shine a light into the darkness, whether it's a camera 6,000 feet down or a scientist who refuses to stop asking questions, we find something that changes the way we see the world. The Galapagos Blue Octopus didn't appear for us. It was never waiting to be discovered. It was simply living in the dark, glowing, being extraordinary in a place where no one could see. Until now. If you enjoyed this video, check out the videos on your screen now. Hit subscribe and leave a comment. What do you think the blue glow is really saying? I'll see you in the next one. TrueMystix. Uncover what the world forgot to tell you.